When we operate virtually, we're operating from anywhere. We may not be in the office half of the time. We could be on vacation, we could be on the go, we could be at home, and we want to have a good way to share documents back and forth. And the client portal accomplishes that versus sending emails back and forth with attachments of tax returns, which is absolutely the wrong thing to do these days because there's a lot of sensitive information there. And as a matter of fact, some states actually prohibit emailing tax returns via a PDF attachment.
So you can see right over here, the tax office side is over here on the left side, and you can see the documents 2015, 2016, 2017. You can see the allocation of all the documents year by year. But then over here, you can see the actual tax documents for the tax client. So the right-hand side, Anthony, he's the tax client, and this is tax office. So when I click over here on documents, you'll see here's the exact same documents over here. If a tax office wants to upload a tax document, I simply come over here and click upload and grab a document. So let's say I'm going to upload this tax return, and I uploaded it just like that. Then what's going to happen, I'll be able to see this information. The tax office will be able to see those tax documents as to what just got uploaded. So I'll come right over here and I'll see that tax documents right over here listed over here. Now, why is this valuable? How many of you folks, how many of you tax offices have clients that lose their tax return? They actually lose the tax return that you gave them all the way back in February, right? And then you got to print another copy. Now, I'm sure some of you tax offices charge a reprint fee, like a $25, $30 reprint fee. Well, in this case scenario, instead of you having to reprint 30, 40 pages of a tax return, do it digitally. And many tax offices have decided to say, you know, I'm going to charge an actual a fee for that. I'm going to charge a fee, a technology fee. So having the opportunity to have these tax documents here, it's very helpful for tax offices to stay engaged with their clients, whether due to COVID or what's going on, wherever that client is. If you have clients that are out of state, utilizing our client portal is very helpful. Now, here's one thing. I would recommend the client portal for clients that are Schedule Cs, businesses. If you're doing other services for clients, maybe some of you tax offices have insurance agencies, some of you do bookkeeping, payroll. I would recommend the client portal for those business clients. And then those are the clients that may need that, especially, or clients that typically, if they're refinancing their mortgage, they need a couple years of tax documents, or maybe you did some help for them for with the pandemic. Maybe they had a PPP applications, EIDL loans. It was a series of documents you had to correspond with back and forth with that client. That's where I would use the client portal in that case scenario.